this idea.
Start learning Hindi so that we'll be able to communicate a better love and affection between the state and the nation. Because when individuals like you come forward to say something,
ముందుగా ఈరోజు ఉపాధ్యాయ దినోత్సవ సందర్భంగా ఉపాధ్యాయులందరికీ నా శుభాకాంక్షలు. ప్రముఖ విద్యావేత్త, తత్వవేత్త, భారతీయ తత్వవేత్తగా ప్రపంచమంతా పేరుగాంచిన శ్రీ సర్వేపల్లి రాధాకృష్ణ గారి జయంతి సందర్భంగా వారి స్మృతికి నేను నివాళులు అర్పిస్తున్నాను. ఉపాధ్యాయుడిగా మొదలైన వారి ప్రస్థానం
It's been translated to Telugu by Sri Ramachandra Murthy Garu, and this IMASCO has published this book, and today this was released by our former Vice President Padma Bhushan Shri Venkaiah Naidu ji Garu. So this book is mainly about my life, and everybody looks at me professionally, and I had a lot of struggles from my childhood and to this level. Lot of challenges has faced, and since I come across the challenges, and Dr. Kalam, when President of India in 2006, during my first national award, that B.C. Roy National Award, time he came to know that my life is very lot of struggles. Then that time he asked me to write this biography to inspire the youngsters, and they can do well. It is not only for medical, it is for entire community people. And when I left my villages, I did not have anything, but later my hard work made it today.